Hello everybody. In this video I will be talking about so-called RANKX DAX function. Before getting started, I would like to give a little bit information about the dataset that I'm going to use in this demo file. So here, just I kindly let you know that I have some dimensional tables like the customers, the products, the stores, and also I have three factual tables, so-called F expenses, F purchasing, and F sales. Based on the dates that we can find in our F sales transactional table, I made a dynamic calendar. So you can find all the necessary date information in this calendar table. So just imagine that we have some kinds of a number of visuals in our Power BI file. So and just consider that we are interested in, say, finding the ranking of our products. Actually, we have overall uh, 340 unique products. You can see here, this is the number of unique products that we are using in our demo file. So we are interested in the fact, in ranking fact of these products. So to understand it, let's make one new page and let's call it like rank X, and let's add one matrix visual. So here I'm adding my products, say D products, and here I have my products. I'm adding my products, and also I would like to add my sales number. So here in key measures measure group, I have so-called total sales F measure. Actually, to find the ranking of each product, I can sort this column in descending order. However, considering that we have a great number of products, so it's not the optimal way that we should follow. So to find the ranking of each product, we can use so-called RANKX DAX function. So let's select key measures and let's add one new measure and let's call it product ranking equals, we are saying rank X. So for table parameter, I'm going to use the products table. For expression, I'm going to use total sales F measure. For value, I can skip it. For order, I'm saying descending order and closing parentheses, enter. Then I'm adding this measure to my matrix visual. Okay, here we see that each product, in spite of the different sales number, has the first ranking degree. So what's the reason for that? The reason is row context definition. So Power BI in this row says that, okay, there is a one product, unique one. So the product ranking is one. So how to get out of this situation? We can solve this like adding all function to this formula. So we say that all the products, closing parentheses, and then enter, and we will see that, oh, voila, we have different product ranking for different products. There is one more issue that can be found like frustrating. Sorry for this word. So here we have one. How to get rid of this one? Actually, we can solve this issue using simple if and selected value DAX function. So say if, and then I'm saying that selected value, and say that the products, uh, if it's different than blank, then use this one. Here, I think we should place closing parentheses and then one more closing parentheses, enter. And we will be sure of the fact that one has disappeared. Okay, actually, we can also make this table, to look very dynamic. For example, let's add slicer, and here to this slicer, I'm going to add my product categories, right? These are my product categories. When I'm saying, for example, when I'm selecting outwear, you know, the ranking starts with 26. Okay. Uh, then let's select the hats one, and this one starts with 12th position. So what can be the reason? It's very obvious. The reason is, again, context. So how can we solve this issue? Actually, we can go to our measure and we can say that here, all function drops all the filters for the products table. But we are much more interested in this products column. So it means that if we add here products, let's add products and say enter, and we will be seeing that when we select or filter by product categories, and the product ranking is also changing, right? And last but not least, not we can stop using this filter, I mean slicer. But what can we do? We can add product category to our matrix, right? So let's go with our product category and let's add it to our rows. And let's expand all down one level and pay attention. Here we have outwear products. Ranking wear starts with 1. And if we go with, say, accessories product group, and we will be seeing that this group also starts with first position of product ranking. So thus, by just using rank X function, we made our matrix visual very dynamic. I kindly ask you to read my newsletter articles where you will find the necessary info about Power BI. And let me demonstrate my newsletter. You can find it on LinkedIn, Ilkar Zarbayev's newsletter. So here there are a lot of very different kinds of, say, articles about Power BI, which you will be get benefit of each article. So I kindly ask you to read and to subscribe to my newsletter. And also I have my meetup groups, so-called Green Data Innovators, where local Azerbaijani and also foreign Power BI enthusiasts and MVPs, MCTs, MC2 regional leads deliver speech about Microsoft the products. So Green Data Innovators Meetup Group, and also I have the other one, so-called Orlando Power BI User Group. So you can, if you find this video useful and these articles useful, so I kindly ask you to like, to repost, to comment, and also to subscribe my meetup groups and also YouTube channels. See you in next articles, in next videos.